students, friends, and family. This is Cecilia. You can call me Teacher Miss Cece or Cecilia. If you're interested in online training as a student, making side income, passive income, or just have some bonus hustle at the comfort of your own home while traveling with your computer, then this channel is for you. Or if you're just straightly bored and you want some new hobby teaching as a teacher, as a retired teacher, or if you are a stay-home mom and you want some flexibility, and if you were a student, and this channel is for you as well. And included in my channel is some mindset training for optimal and efficient working, and this is going to help you. Make sure that you subscribe below and turn on the notification and share the video with friends that you think might help them. And make sure you like the video and comment below what kind of questions that you have for me so that I can help you out even more. And as promised, today's video is about how to apply as an online English teacher to Qkids platform, and I'll explain the entire hiring process for you so that you can be more prepared and complete efficiently during the hiring process and keep the time rolling down within a week or so. And when I applied, it was basically out of actually a worst time possible, which is a year-end time, and lots of bonus and lots of performances and lots of award ceremony is popping up, and I wasn't prepared with the entire process. So I want you to have a comfort zone of knowing what to expect so that you can actually more or less prepare out of time. But don't worry, you don't have to be perfect. This is a time that you can take time to prepare along the way as well, just like I did. The process began for me as I prepare for the workforce and wanting to upgrade and update my LinkedIn profile, and because of some teaching experiences, naturally some jobs are connected. And among the top profiles is Qkids with a great animated Momo monkey on the picture. So naturally I apply, and within 24 hours a very welcoming invitation from the hiring team is included. And I've got a link below with a referral code so that you can copy and paste that you're referred by me and give me credit for this training material. Yes, copy and paste. The link below, I've included the internet application website and the referral code that you're referred by me. Yes, copy and paste. Yes, right below for your convenience. And you can actually prepare your personal information, quickly type it on the internet, and make sure that you provide the specification of your computer. And this is a good time to think about Ethernet connection as well, because it definitely provides the internet process seamlessly. As an online, whether you're a teacher or a student, it just speeds up the process a little bit more. And be sure to have a well-lit room. Sunlight, facing sunlight, or the room light is actually quite recommended. Don't put a light behind you. This is my recommendation. If the sun is behind you, it obviously doesn't work as well when you're facing the sun, so that your face is lit. And if you want to have a little bit more friendly video, you can actually go closer to the video, and as you can tell, if it is a distance, it's less engaging. So definitely have a microphone that works. And yes, you can speak directly into your phone or computer for the first interview. And definitely if you have a headset, that also helps as well. If not, don't worry. Just be prepared that your first application include your personal information, your business information, your experience working or teaching, or why you're passionate about teaching students. And this is a program that connects you overseas, and it speaks to me as globalization. And as residing teacher in America or Canada, well, in general, North America, you'll be connected with children and students in fabulous energy in Beijing and China, or Shanghai and China. So this is what I'm passionate about, a global program and connecting with the kind of students who actually want to learn. And so this is my reason. I've included a video for you as a model, and also a separate video on reading a book And the book that I have read is 6 or 7 minutes long, but you can cut it down to 2 minutes. You can write your own story, you can tell a story, or just read a story straight out of a book. And this is a requirement that will be sent to you within 24 hours of your proper application. And if you are actually hired in the process, you will be required to download in your next request a program which is a host for the teacher and student interface for a series of great modeling, live video, and animated interactive classroom with a demo classroom that you can prepare for the first interview. The first interview and second interview are separated with another series of training, and it is recommended that you download another program called WeChat, which is an intimate chatting relationship that you have with your coach and coaches, and you'll be getting feedback along the way when you're training and when you're attending the interview. And provided later here related, I will give you a video on training and interview so that you know exactly what to expect. I was caught off guard that, I have to be ready for the camera, but the process is so seamless. I'm just here to make sure that you can prepare everything within the weeks to speed up the hiring process. But don't worry if you're not ready for it. You can actually take your time, and by now you will have the third series of training material, and this is a good time to review old and new material and get ready for your 5 demo classes, which is paid class. Okay, 5 demo classes, and voila, at the end, congratulations. If all goes well, you'll be hired, and I will see you in the next videos about the demo classes and how to ace your interview and a lot of related paid topics and other side jobs that you can make side income. So talk to you soon. This is Miss Cecilia, and I love to share more with you. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment below how I can help you more. Okay, talk to you later.